In this video, I will present the top 3 micromotors of this year based on quality and price. I've done the research for you so you can make the best choice. Please be advised that all links to the mentioned products will be provided in either the video description or the first pinned comment. Let's start now. Number 1. Rechargeable Brushless Micromotor. Are you a dentist or do you work in a dental lab? Are you in search of a dependable, efficient and user-friendly tool to facilitate your everyday tasks? Let me introduce the Rechargeable Brushless Micromotor. This innovative tool provides exceptional control and unparalleled efficiency for your precision tasks. This micromotor is equipped with a state-of-the-art brushless motor, ensuring extended and reliable performance, thus lasting longer, a quieter operation resulting in a significantly longer lifespan. The speed is accurately regulated by the intuitive digital screen of the digital display. The text contains 128 characters. Customize the rotation speed to suit your requirements and retain complete control over your work. Enjoy the benefit of a durable battery for long-lasting performance. With its high-capacity battery, you can work for hours without interruptions, leave the cables behind, and experience complete freedom of movement. It is ideal for a wide range of dental applications, such as carving, polishing, milling, and more. Adapt the micromotor to suit your unique requirements. Precise to the millimeter. Thanks to its powerful motor and precise control system, you can perform tasks with millimeter precision, achieving flawless results. Quiet operation. Because of its minimal noise, you can work in a tranquil environment. Sanitizing it is effortless. Crafted using top-notch materials, this product allows for effortless sterilization, ensuring absolute hygiene and cleanliness at all times. Second, the EndoMotor. Searching for an endodontic unit that blends precision, efficiency, and ease. The EndoMotor 16 Uno is the perfect tool for you. This cordless dental motor features a strong sit-downs Uno reduction and built-in LED light will allow you to perform root canal treatments more quickly and comfortably, both for you and your patients. Outstanding precision, featuring a 16Ts Uno reduction. The EndoMotor 16Ts Uno provides you with smooth and precise control throughout the procedure. This is essential to ensure complete cleaning and disinfection of the root canals, preventing future complications. This device is wireless and portable, allowing you to forget tangled cords and work with complete freedom. The EndoMotor 16 Uno is completely wireless. This allows you to move easily around the dental chair and adjust the motor's position to your needs. This device's motor is crafted from high-quality materials, guaranteeing durability and excellent performance. Additionally, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and transport, easy to use. The EndoMotor 16 Uno is easy to understand and use, with simple controls and a clear display that shows all relevant information. Even if you don't have much experience with endodontic equipment, you'll master it quickly. With this equipment's precision and control, you can get consistent and long-lasting results in every procedure. Number 3. Wireless LED Endodontic Motor. The wireless LED endodontic motor features precision and control. Its wireless design and LED tech make it easy to use. This motor offers you precise control and exceptional visibility during treatment. You will be able to work with greater ease and safety, ensuring patient comfort. No more tangled wires or annoying sounds. This motor operates quietly and is easy to use, lowering anxiety and stress during treatment. Efficiency. With this motor, Endodontic treatments are faster and less invasive. It means spending less time at the dentist and recovering faster. Versatility. The motor is compatible with a wide variety of endodontic instruments, making it a versatile tool for any dentist. Durability. Made to endure, this motor is constructed using superior materials, ensuring its longevity. If you are a dentist looking to improve the quality of your endodontic treatments, this motor is the perfect tool for you. Invest in the well-being of your patients to ensure the success of your clinic. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Well, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I hope I helped you find the ideal choice for you. We'll see each other in the next video.